This is the 5th floor, and what you're looking at above is the 6th floor. That's the floor that was added at some point, we don't know when. It's got all the steel beams and everything, which we had to do some modifications to get it upgraded to where it was going to be safe. Originally it had 6 floors, and at some point they added a floor in between. We're on the 6th floor now. This is the floor that they added at some point. And you can see that the windows are a lot closer to the floor. So they've added this. This would have been, the floor below, this would have been a real tall ceiling. When I first started on the project, I stuck my camera in there and took some pictures just to see what was up above the ceiling on the 1st floor. And I couldn't see what I was taking pictures of. Then I put them on the computer. When I got them back, I found what's wrote on the wall. One of the workers back in 1929 had signed on the side of the beam that says, "Welcome, come in." November 20th, 1929.
The original elevator has been obsolete for many years. It'll have options for security. You'll have position indicators at every floor. It'll have much better leveling accuracy and a lot more reliability.
We are putting in all new HVAC. They're heating and chilled water lines. You have to have 2 lines for your heating water and 2 lines for your cooling water. One is a supply, one is a return. And the fan will blow air over that line, and it will absorb the heat or cooling, whichever one's in operation, and blow it into the room.
Okay, we're starting from scratch in this place, and we're redoing the panels. We redid the service down in the sub-basement. We're roughing in walls here. That's what all the MC is, lighting and receptacles, doing the data and fire alarm, roughing for all the walls. That's what you see all the conduit for.
Well, what we got, we demoed 99% of all the old plumbing, and it's all getting new plumbing. And it's gonna be kind of nice when it's done. Yep, Europe uses a lot of this stuff right here. And like I said, when they design the pipe, they inject it with sound waves so that it can expand and go back to its original size. You could kink it, use heat it back up, and it goes back to its original state. I mean, it's a pretty good product. So right now I got 2 circuit setters in here. I put the ball valves in so we can isolate each floor.
Now we're up on the top floor, the 7th floor. This was Fillmore's office at one point, but there's not a whole lot of walls up here. This is pretty much open. This is kind of how it's going to be.